tonight? Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my cleaning channel. So today's video is going to be a power hour because I need to get my house back in order within like the next hour or so before my husband gets home from work. I have been kind of doing like a little bit of like back end stuff on my YouTube channels, and I haven't gotten any cleaning done today, and I always like when he comes home to a clean house that smells nice and looks nice. So I'm gonna do like a quick little tidy up in the main living space. It's not too bad. I just have some like random stuff laying around. The floors need to be cleaned, dishes need to be started, and the front bathroom desperately needs to be cleaned really quick. Like the shower door has gotten really bad, so I'm just gonna get as much done as I can in the next hour before he gets home from work. So let's get started.
Still want me, and we will never be apart. I guess I couldn't see just what you meant to me. Get off the phone and sober up, because it's you and me now. You and me I try, and then I mess it up. That's the story of my life. Say yes, I'm at the coffee shop where we used to go at night. I guess I couldn't see just what you meant to me. Get off the phone.
That whole time I thought I was recording, but it wasn't. I just fixed the pillows and fixed the table up a little bit. I'm just gonna go ahead and put these clothes away really quick where they belong.
For a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go.
Alright, so I'm just going to scrub out my sink really quick using the Dawn liquid dish soap and this little handheld scrubber that I got from Walmart. This thing's amazing. I love it. It's like perfect size for my hand. If I can find a specific link for this one, I'll link it below. It does have a compartment where you can use soap and press a button. Sometimes I feel like the soap doesn't come out fast enough, so I usually just, squirt the soap into the sink and then scrub, but either way, it's a great little tool to have on hand. Once the sink is all clean, I wipe down the countertops, and I tried to show you earlier that I found the multi-surface cleaner in the Sprayway brand. I swear by their glass cleaner, it's the only glass cleaner I use, but I finally found the multi-purpose cleaner, and I was so excited. I got it at Lowe's for $1 on clearance just because the cap was missing. I was like, whew, this is totally for me. I was so excited, and that's what I've been using to wipe down the countertops and even the bathroom. It's antibacterial too, so I love that. I just love a foaming cleaner. I don't know why. I just feel like it cleans really good. So I did wipe the countertops down and stuff. I've been having a few technical difficulties lately with filming, so bear with me. I'm still getting used to my camera that I got. I got it in December sometime, but every now and then I'll have a moment where I think I hit record and I don't, and I walk away and I don't get any of that footage, so that's been a bummer. I lost so much footage in this video, mainly because it's a power hour, and when I'm filming a power hour, I'm trying to hurry. Not only am I trying to get as much done as I can in that hour, but I'm also trying to go a little faster since I do have to kind of carry around the tripod and the camera and, get different angles and stuff. So it takes me a little bit longer, and I don't pay attention as much as I would if I was just kind of filming a whole house clean with me and just taking my time getting it all done. But anyway, moving on, I am now taking that same Dawn dish soap that I used to clean out the kitchen sink, the scrubber that I just leave in the shower. I bought this one from Walmart as well. It is the best for cleaning the shower doors. It's nice and big, so I get it done pretty quick, and it's firm, but not too firm where it's going to scratch the glass. So I scrub the glass down really good, let it sit for just a second, rinse it off, and voila, the shower doors are spotless. I try to do this at least once a week. So at this moment, I knew my husband was home because the dogs will start whining and get all excited, and Little, our Doberman Pinscher and Dachshund mix, she will bark. The other two, know it's him, but I feel like because she's so short, she doesn't really look out the window. She'll just bark because she thinks it's there's someone here. But you can see the dogs getting all excited because they knew he was home. So I quickly put away the Bissell Crosswave. Well, not really. I just kind of put it over here by the kitchen island. And then the dogs were about to knock over my tripod, so I ran back over here, let my husband in. Okay, so my husband's home. He's been here for about 10-15 minutes. I cleaned for about an hour and 20 minutes, and I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I was able to accomplish. I still have a lot to do. I still need to clean the sliding glass window. I did get the bathroom finished up. I didn't film the whole thing, wiping down the countertops, or cleaning the toilet, but I did get the shower door all cleaned, toilets clean, countertops cleaned, so that's all done. But I need to get my bedroom cleaned up, get my bed kind of just made a little bit. I'm not going to make it fully just because it's already the middle of the day and it would be kind of silly to make the bed, but my husband's currently mowing the front yard right now. I can't show you guys him because he's wearing his work clothes, but yeah, he's out there getting that done. I'm probably going to clean this window really quick and then blow off the back patio. Get that done because I always like to have the patio nice and clean, especially since we just did a makeover out here and it looks so pretty. If you missed that video, I'll have it linked below. I just shared it on my main channel.
I'm thinking back on all those times when I felt closed off from all that I could become, eager but too scared to climb. Wanted to please my friends, but it felt like the end of myself. I was shut down and all drained out. I was lost, so I had to change. Yeah, I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness they turned on me, but now
Alright, so I came outside to quickly fix up the little patio and kind of blow everything off with my blower. I've been trying to stay on top of cleaning up the patio. Ever since we finished up this makeover, this space is my favorite. Like, me and my husband, we spend a ton of time outside watching the kids play in the yard and the dogs run around. We are very outdoorsy type of people, so to have such a beautiful space, it just feels so amazing, and we are just so thankful for that. This couch was actually sent to me, by the way, by a company called Yida Home. I wasn't going to mention it here, but I just wanted to kind of give them a shout out because they did send me the couch for free, and that is just unbelievable, and I just feel so thankful to have such a beautiful piece of furniture in my backyard. I'm so thankful for that, and thank you guys for all your love and support. I've been working so hard on my channels for so long, and to be gifted something so beautiful to review just feels unbelievable. So anyway, if you didn't check out that video yet, I will have it linked below, and all the links to the couch and the coupon codes and all that stuff that they gave me are in that video. So now I'm just going to go ahead and clean the sliding glass door using the spray away glass cleaner and some paper towels. I typically would use a microfiber cloth though, and it works way better than the paper towels. I noticed that there was some major streaking, which I've never had before using this product, so I'm pretty sure it was just the paper towels. And now we are out in the laundry room. I was all over the place today. Seriously, cleaning this house, sometimes I jump from one room to the next and it doesn't make any sense. So at this point, I'm in my laundry room making a mess with the laundry soap. So I'm going to get all that cleaned up and then start some laundry and start folding some as well.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's be free
Alright y'all, I'm about to switch over my very last, what was that? Oh, it's a necklace. How did that happen? Oh my gosh. I'm switching over this last load of laundry and I'm caught up again. So I wanted to share with you what's been working and helping me stay on top of laundry. So I tried to do the whole like one load a day thing. It just didn't work out. I feel like we didn't have enough dirty clothes to do that. So what I do is I have this one large basket, and this is for all of our dirty clothes. So mine, my husband's, my kids. And what we do is after the kids get out of the shower, I'm like, okay, get all your dirty clothes, go throw them in mommy's hamper in her bathroom. Because behind my bathroom door, there's this perfect spot for a hamper. It's literally the only spot in our house for a hamper. So we all just throw our clothes there, and when that basket gets full, that means it's time for laundry. And I will separate it if I need to, like if there's a lot of light colors or dark colors or towels, I'll separate them and wash them separately. And what's nice is that my washer has like a sensor for water, so it doesn't fill up all the way. It's not wasting water or anything like that. So that's great. But that's how I've been keeping up, and I wanted to share that with you guys because y'all know I've struggled with laundry for like the longest time. And I think it was my sister-in-law. Yeah, it was. She's the one who told me that she just uses like the same laundry basket, and once it's full, it's time for laundry. So that's what's been working for us. It's not, I don't have to wash laundry every single day, only when it gets full. So that's been a huge help. But I'm gonna get these switched over, get this load, go ahead and fold it. Something else is I've been folding my laundry out here when I can. That way, if it's like not too hot, of course, that way it's already done and I can just take it straight into the house and put it away instead of like carrying it in the basket, getting it inside, and then having to like fold it inside. Because we all know I wheel that basket in there and put it in my room, it's going to sit in there all week. Alright y'all, so that's pretty much going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed kind of like this power 2-hour. It was a little over an hour of cleaning, but it started off as just a power hour, and I hope you were able to get some stuff done along with me. Thank you once again for all the love and support here on my channel, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye!
I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show